What's going on, guys? Just doing a quick ride, seeing how much ground I can cover. It'd be cool to be able to hit up some lakes back in here. Trying to play it safe today. Hopefully I don't fall over too much. To talk about thieves today. Thieves are like the lowest form of our society. It's so weak to steal from another person. I bring this up because I keep seeing in the local riding forums that people are getting their bikes stolen, and I can't imagine getting a motorcycle stolen. I mean, to steal from somebody is basically to murder that person, but you're stealing their time. And you're not just stealing any of their time, you're stealing the time that they had that was extra, that was something that they enjoyed. They went to work, they paid their bills, they paid the government 40% of their income through all the taxes that we have now. And then somebody goes and steals the amount of money that they had left over to enjoy themselves with. It makes me so angry just thinking about it. Steal somebody else's stuff. It's mind-boggling. And GPS is getting better and better. Nowadays you can put GPS on your vehicles. There's no way for them to tell if your bike has GPS on it. So that's definitely a good route to go. That's all I have to say about that, is don't steal from people. If I find out that people have a chop shop and they steal other people's bikes, I will immediately, without hesitation, report them. I don't care if you're my friend, I don't want friends like that. You really have to be careful about these little roots that are crossing the trail right here. Any little root can just throw you right on your head if you're not paying attention. Just grab my helmet and rip my whole head to the side while I'm trying to focus and balance. So annoying. It's beautiful up here, though. Sometimes it sounds like I'm breathing hard, but I'm really not. And right now, I'm actually breathing a little bit hard. Oh God.